Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy JMT. I'm back at you with a brand new video. Now you're probably wondering, y'all thought it was going to be another taste test, but ain't a taste test. This time, I'm going to do myself a little unboxing. I just got some off Amazon, just got my package. Now, I know y'all used to see me doing these taste tests, but it's going to be different. Hope you guys are enjoying y'all weekend. Y'all be safe out there, whoever you are. Thank you for watching the videos that I put out, like my taste tests, and those will be coming on the way soon. So I will give y'all more videos on those very soon. Now, this unboxing is going to be the Belkin Soundform surround sound wireless open ear headphones. Now you're probably wondering, oh James, what made you decide to do an unboxing? Well, it's been a while since I did an unboxing on YouTube, and I haven't done one since my original channel, which you guys still can subscribe to. So, subscribe to my original channel, by the way, and also subscribe to my current channel that I'm using right now. So, let's get on with these headphones. So right here, you got the Belkin Bluetooth headphones. These are pretty decent. These are pretty nice. Now, I haven't used them yet, but I will give y'all an update on this matter of these headphones here. Now, right here, it does says 60 hours of total playtime, which is a bonus for me because I like headphones that have a nice extended battery life. One, they don't have to die too fast. Now, mind you, last headsets I have these Heyday headphones. Now, these headphones right here, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, these were pretty decent. These were pretty good. I don't even want to say the word decent, but these were really good headphones. And these were my first time having a pair of Heyday. I always used to see them at like a Target or Best Buy or any other store that may carry, wireless headphones. But these have a good battery life. The only thing that sucks about these now is obviously I see the tape around it, but I still kept it. So these caught this on sale at Target. That's the crazy part. Got this on sale at Target, and somebody got me this. A family member did. But I still hold on to these because of that reason. But yeah, if y'all decide to get these headphones, these Heyday headphones, these are pretty good. The battery life is excellent. The only thing that sucks now is one side works. And the crazy part about it is that before one side had went out, actually one of the sockets came out of the one of the headphone parts, and for some reason the other side still worked, which is weird, right? But yeah, these are Heyday headphones. So if y'all would like to get these at Target, it'll be at Target. If y'all get, or any store for that matter, y'all could order them off Amazon if y'all want. Excuse me. So yeah, so the Belkin Soundform headphones, they do have 60 hours of total playtime, which is past 24 hours, which is crazy. So it's good that actually has a decent battery, a good battery life. I keep saying the word decent, but I don't know. I just bought these headphones, so let's see how they work. They have multi-point 2 device connection, so let me focus on the box. So you can multi-connect to any device using these headphones, which is pretty good. It's just like the other headphones that I've had. I just showed you. Now, remind you, I'm gonna show y'all my headphones real quick. These headphones, and I know you people like JLab. Some of y'all probably get these if y'all budgeting on wireless headphones. If y'all don't want to get the high quality ones, JLabs are pretty good. These headphones, for goodness sakes, these headphones are very annoying. And sometimes I could connect this, and it will connect even while I have the case closed, and it will connect to my phone, it will connect to the devices that I have. This headphones have a lot of its own. Let's put it like that. Yeah, these headphones are I'll use them, but I don't really care to use them like that. Sometimes they do have a tendency to have a lot of its own. So for all of y'all, these headphones are cool, but they got it. But anyway, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Adjustable for a personalized fit. So obviously it's talking about how it's comfortable, and you know, you can probably adjust it the way you want it to be, depending on how you wear your headphones. It does like a cushion, which is a plus for me, like I said before, because a plus for me is the battery life and the comfortability of this, because you don't want to just wear headphones, any type of headphones. You want to make sure it's comfortable for you. So let's get this bad boy open. All right. So yeah, I'm back now. So I'm going to try to cut this open with my keys. So, I gotta get these devices where I can hold the phone. Let's just try to open it through the hands. Excuse my language. This is like a rare time on YouTube you see somebody doing an unboxing with their fingernail, because I know people use their little switchblades or whatever they use to open the box, but this is gonna be a little different this time, at least for me. I don't know about anyone else. I don't know. I tried with my fingernails. Let's see if I can focus. I don't know if y'all even see that. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, guys, I gotta give me one of those the little tripod things for your hand, like a selfie stick, so I could try to, you know, put the video more better without stopping and skipping everything. But anyway, forget about all that. But I'll open the box now. Now, before I take it out, let's read the back. Gotta focus this. There we go. It has built-in microphone with clear call quality technology. Microphone, of course, you can talk. Your typical Bluetooth. You can talk on the phone with them. It's foldable and adjustable with headband with padded ear cups for all-day comfort. Like I said, it does have some cushion on the top part of the headphone underneath, so you can be comfortable wearing it. Like I said before, it includes a 3.5mm audio and USB-C audio charging cable. So if you guys got any USB-C charge cable or whatever you have, this is your go-to. If you got a lot of those cables, you're in good hands. And USB-C fast charging is 10 minutes. Charge equals 6 hours of playtime. So it's pretty cool. But here's the part y'all will be waiting for. So obviously, it's a little struggle. So it's in this little pouch that it came inside with. So obviously the headphones is already folded up, like you see in the, like I said, in the back of the box. Look at it right here. Look what we have. Wow. Talking about ordering some. Now I've been trying to get headphones for the longest. Now obviously, look, they do rotate. So for those who may wear this at the gym, anything like that, may get a good workout wearing these. You may, just wear them just to wear them, listen to music, anything of that nature. As you see, it does have a cushion, like I said in the beginning of the video of the box that I was talking about, the headphones. It does rotate around. As you see, trying to focus here. Okay, you see it guys, to mute the mic if you're on the phone with somebody, or anything of that nature. It does have your 3.5, like I said, millimeter audio port. You can, use it for without Bluetooth. You could just put it in an ordinary classic way. You could, connect it to your phone, or anything of that nature. If a device does have like a 3.5mm audio port, if your phone has those, or Android, or anything of that nature, even old iPhones that has it. And you got your USB-C charger port right here. You can connect any cable into it if you have a USB-C. It does have your volume rocker, as you see right here. It says Belkin, of course. The brand does have cushion. So far, I'm gonna test these out. It does have 60 hours of battery life, which is good for me. So I could tell these are good brand headphones. Belkin is a good brand headphone, so there's nothing new from them. They always have good quality headphones. And of course, you got your USB Type-C cables to charge it. You got your 3.5mm audio. Like I said before, if you want to connect it to like your Android or your old devices that may have it, feel free, you know, if you get this. And last but not least, I know some of y'all don't care about this, but you got your old ordinary, typical, standard instrument. Excuse me for butchering my words. Your instruction manual booklet. You know, I know y'all don't really care about all this crap as far as the booklet's concerned, but it's good. Still, you know, people still may want to know about the headphones they may buy or whatever the case may be. But okay, you got yourself another booklet. It's nothing too special. I know it's kind of funny when you open these, but anyway, put that in there. Okay. All right. So this is your boy JMT, and I might, you know what? Matter of fact, I might probably just keep one of these in the box. You know what? As a matter of fact, I'll probably keep these in the box. Screw it. So yeah, guys, this is your boy JMT. This has been an unboxing of the Belkin Soundform Surround Wireless Over-Eared Headphones. So if you guys may decide to go pick these up, hey, feel free. You know, these are good headphones. And I'm already saying they're good before I even try them. That's how you know these are good quality headphones. And I believe these headphones will last maybe longer than the Heyday ones, but I ain't throwing shade on the Heyday ones. The Heyday headphones were actually good, but will it top these? I don't know. We'll have to see. Anyway, guys, this is your boy JMT. This has been another unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. More videos will be coming soon, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, peace. Oh shucks. Anyway, before I end the video, I was just about to close out the video, and my headphones was literally about to drop on the floor, and I literally just caught it before I accidentally just paused the video. Anyway, guys, just enjoy the video. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Like I said, this has been an unboxing. This is your boy JMT. I'm out. Sorry about the inconvenience.